Rather than trying to do it bit by bit.
My name is Ann Bennett-Lofthouse. I've been tutoring for the college for quite a few years now. I tutor this class, which you can see behind me, making a portrait, also life drawing, drawing for beginners, and painting in oils. In this particular class, we deal with everything to do with making a portrait, right from the technical stuff, face shapes, measuring, proportion, and then we move on to colour and expression, and hopefully everyone will feel confident at the end, not only in their drawing skills, but in their observation skills and their capacity to catch a likeness. So the course is organised to cover all those things and to give you the skills to actually take on a commission, and hopefully you've had a ball learning them.